Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 for Cricket Wireless. So this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13. It's available now for $159.99. So this phone was released on Friday, April 8th for Cricket Wireless. So I did not know that Cricket got this phone until the filming of this video, which is April 11th. So yes, the Galaxy A13 is now here. It's available in black. So this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13. Cricket does offer the Galaxy A13 5G, but this one's the 4G version, so do keep that in mind. Like I said, it's available now for $159.99. So yeah, it's $159.99 across the board. So yeah, so no discounts or nothing like that on the phone. So this is the Galaxy A13. This one has 4G only. There is no 5G on this model. If you guys want the 5G Galaxy A13, Cricket does offer that for a bit more. So anyways, you guys have your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera there, with your earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the phone has your micro SD card and SIM card slot. The camera does stick out there just a bit there on the back, so be mindful of that. And then on the back of the Galaxy A13, you guys have your camera sub. You guys do get 4 cameras along with the camera flash print sensor, which is your power button. $50 megapixel main camera, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. Says to prepare yourself for loads of awesomeness with the Samsung Galaxy A13. Enjoy speeds, reliable performance, smooth browsing, and fast streaming. Stay in touch with the people you love with a fast charging battery that is ready for a quick boost when needed. Keep your memories and special moments with storage for your everyday use. Relish in the total awesomeness of the Samsung Galaxy A13. Like I said, this is the 4G version, so if you guys want the 5G version, it is a bit more. It will have 5G in its name, so shouldn't really be no confusion. So yeah, features on the Galaxy A13. Quad lens camera, beautiful results. Bring out your inner photographer with the Samsung Galaxy A13 forward rear camera system. The multi-lens camera makes it awesomely easy to snap stunning photos and capture family videos in motion. Enjoy the view. Bring your photos, videos, and entertainment to life on a 6.6-inch Full HD plus TFT display that is sure to make for a vivid and stunning viewing experience. So this does have a TFT display. Said nothing crazy about that. So your standard display there. But good news is it is Full HD plus. So that's very nice. A battery that adapts. Stay connected at home and on the go. The Galaxy A13 has a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery that helps you power through calls, texts, chats, work, and play. So very nice there. Your spec sheets right here for the phone. This is a budget phone, but it's not a bad phone either. You do get Android 12 on board with One UI 4.0. I believe that's the One UI version. So the latest and greatest right now. The dimensions of the Galaxy A13 is 6.5 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. Screen size, like I said, it's a 6.6 inch display, Full HD plus. I think you have, yeah. I don't know if this has a 90 Hz refresh rate or a 60 Hz. I'm not really sure. It's probably a 60 Hz refresh rate. I'm not really sure though. You do get 32 gigabytes of internal storage. I think 3 gigabytes of RAM. I think 3 or 4 gigabytes of RAM. No, I think it's 3 gigabytes of RAM, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Your connectivity options for the Galaxy A13, 8 to 11 ABGN. What's that? IRNAC Wi-Fi there. Mobile hotspot, of course, USB Type-C, which is pretty much standard. Bluetooth 5.0, and you do get fast charging on this phone as well. You do get 4 cameras in the rear, 50 megapixel, which is your main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro lens, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear with the camera flash, and you get an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Your processor is an octa-core processor. I don't know what chipset it is on this phone here. I think it's a Samsung Exynos processor in here. I think it's an Exynos 1280 if I'm not mistaken. 5,000 mAh battery. Accessories, you do get accessories for this phone here. So you do got a couple of cases and stuff here. So they also got screen protectors here and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, the Galaxy A13 is worth checking out. Like I said, this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13. If you guys want the 5G version, it will cost a bit more, but you'll get 5G on that phone there. So now Cricket offers both versions of the Galaxy A13, the 4G version that we're looking at here, and then the 5G version is a bit more. So yeah, the 5G version will have 5G in its name. This one does not. This only has 4G in it. So hopefully there is no confusion. So the only difference I can tell is that the Galaxy A13 5G has 5G, of course, and it has slightly better specs on it, but it does cost more. So yeah. So I didn't know that Cricket got this one until the filming of this video. So yeah, so Cricket now has this phone, and that's pretty cool. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy A13. This is the 4G version, now available at Cricket Wireless for $159.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.